The American National Park System has a program which is called the National Parks Passport Program. For those that have traveled internationally, are familiar with when you arrive in an airport, you get your stamp in your passport with showing the name of the country and along with the date. The National Passport Program is based on that same concept. So you may be asking now, why am I talking about this? As I have traveled and talked to people that I have met, some people have said that they are not even familiar with this program, even though they have visited many parks and love to do that. Then there are some others who have purchased the books and the stickers, but they're not sure how to use them. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a series of videos explaining what the program is, how to get started, how to get the most out of it, along with some tips and suggestions that I've learned along the way. So let's get started now. Let me give you a brief introduction to what the program is and what it consists of. First thing is the passport book. There's different options, different price options within there. The next thing is the cancellation stamp. This is similar to the stamp that you would get in your other passport, which in this case would show the name of the park along with the date. And the third part is what they call a park sticker or park stamp. I've heard both terms used, and I think this is where some of the confusion comes about. But it looks like a postage stamp, and it has a photographic picture of the park. As part of the National Parks Program, they also have the Junior Rangers, and I think this is a really nice way to get kids involved in learning about the parks. And they do a really nice job, and it's very easy to incorporate this passport concept into that program. All right, so for those who have been listening and watching this video, may have the question is, can I do this program for parks I visited in the past and I didn't have the book? The answer is yes. I will give you suggestions in upcoming videos on how you can incorporate your past visits into a book. If you have already purchased the book and have stickers, but have some questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will make sure to include my answers and responses in the upcoming videos. So upcoming in the part 1 video is going to be a discussion on the passport book. I will be talking about different options and also talking about how the book is set up and organized, and also to give you some ideas if you don't want to use the book, if you have another option you use. If this topic is something that you're interested in and would like to learn more about, please subscribe so this way you will know when I have posted the next video in this series. Thank you.